I chose to do my social business presentation on 7th generation. Here's a little overview. 7th generation's mission statement says, "We will care today for 7 generations of tomorrows by stewarding social and environmental progress in the communities we live, work, and do business through education, environmental conservation, research, and advocacy." The 7th generation is a for-profit business that makes grants to nonprofit organizations. A mission to transform the world for the next 7 generations. 7th generation is focused on eliminating chemicals from the marketplace that are harmful for pregnant women, young children, and workers. The first point it makes is climate justice and equity. A switch to 100% renewable energy will help reduce some of the negative health effects caused by climate change and the burning of fossil fuels. Plant-based formulations. Plant-based solutions build a more sustainable future. Recycled packaging. Recycled packaging helps reduce waste and decrease dependence on the new plastic products. B Corp sets standards for safe corporate environments. The principle of precaution is specific to 7th generation. It promotes products that are entire life cycle and influences the 7 generations to come. And lastly is ingredient transparency. This provides healthier solutions for homes and the environment outside of it. The impact. The design thinking process of 7th generation is very well thought out. They first defined their problem by rethinking and recognizing climate responsibilities. Then they created options such as plant-based cleaning products that are offered in recycled materials. They refined their products and provided ingredient transparency. 7th generation has not only executed a successful cleaning line, but influenced successful social change. Here is an example of an output activity with the hashtag #ClimateStrike. Between September 20th and September 27th, over 7.6 million people in 185 countries on all of the 7 continents took to the streets in the biggest climate protest in history. Their mission was to deliver world leaders a clear, united message for no more empty promises, no more hopeful talk. The time for bold, lasting climate action is right here and right now. Here are some climate control accomplishments. In recent years, states have been committed to taking climate action by growing clean energy and improving public health. Here is a list of 7 ways states have accomplished climate change. The first way is they have established ambitious goals to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. California, for example, set a statewide target to reach carbon neutrality by 2045. 2, they've signed legislation that ramps up renewable energy. Nevada passed a bill to increase the amount of electricity it gets from renewable sources to 50% by 2030. 3, they've pushed for better energy efficiency. 4, they've accelerated policies for zero-emission vehicles. Hawaii's legislature passed a bill that provides rebates to people who install a new electric vehicle charging system or an upgrade in their existing systems. 5, they've proposed regulations to cut harmful air pollutants. And 6, they've created new financing opportunities for clean energy and resilient communities. Colorado launched a new green bank that will leverage money from the private sector to spur investment in clean energy projects. And 7, developed special tools and resources to help the state address climate change. These actions only showcase a fraction of the accomplishments the United States has dedicated to climate control and clean energy. Here are some recommendations for promoting climate change. 1. Speak up. Talk to your friends and family and make sure your representatives are making good decisions. 2. Power your home with renewable energy. Take a look at your electric bill. Many utilities now list other ways to support renewable sources on their monthly statements. 3. Weatherize. Make sure your space more energy efficient by sealing drafts and ensuring it's adequately insulated. 4. Invest in energy-efficient appliances. When shopping for refrigerators, washing machines, and other appliances, look for the Energy Star label. It'll tell you which are the most efficient. 5. Reduce water waste. So, take shorter showers and turn off the tap while you're brushing your teeth. 6. Actually eat the food you buy. If you're wasting less food, you're likely cutting down on energy consumption. This last page is my references. Thank you for watching my presentation.